What is up, fellow YouTubers? We are back with Hachi the Husky, Kaya the Husky. Hachi, come here. Hachi, come here. Hachi, come here. Mwah, mwah. You ready? Hachi, tell them what we have in store for them tonight, okay? Today, we're gonna tie up balloons to you, okay? And see how you react. Alrighty? Good girl, Kaya. Good boy, Hachi. Kaya, you wanna see? You wanna chase him? You wanna bite the balloons off his head? Huh? Yeah? No? Maybe so? A little bit? A little lot? Hachi, wait, stay. Alright, guys, we're gonna tie one balloon to him, and then we're gonna tie 4 balloons to him and see how he reacts, okay, guys? Let's go get the balloons. Let me go get the balloon, okay? Alright guys, so first we have one yellow balloon, and we're gonna start off with one around Hachi's body. 1, 2. Here we go. Hachi, come here. Come here, Hachi. Hachi, come here, buddy. Come here. Hachi, go. Free. Hachi. Hey, buddy. What's the balloon doing? Come on, Hachi. Come here. Come here. Come here, Hachi. Hachi, come here. Hachi. Hachi. Alright, so he doesn't seem too amused by one balloon, so we're gonna bring out 4 more balloons and attach one to each leg. And now we have a total of 5 balloons. Okay, go, Hachi. Free. Hachi, free. Go. What's going on, Hachi? Hachi, come here. Come here, Hachi. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Hachi. Hachi, come on. Come here, Hachi. Hachi. You okay, Hachi? You okay? Okay, go. Kaya, go get him. Hachi. Hachi. You're a walking circus, Hachi. You want a treat? You want a treat, Hachi? Hachi, you want a treat? You want a treat? Come on. Come on. Come get a treat. Come here. Come here. Come get a treat, Hachi. Hachi, come here. Sit, Kaya. Hachi, sit. I didn't say speak. No. Hachi, sit. Hachi, sit. Good boy. Hachi, spin. Spin. No, spin. Hachi, spin. Hachi, spin. Hachi. Hachi, come here. Hachi, spin. Hachi, spin. Spin. No, spin. Hachi, spin. Hachi, come here. Spin. Hachi, spin. Oh, you got one off. Hachi, spin. Spin. Good boy. Here you go. Oh, oh. Too slow. Here. Ah! Here. 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 Good boy. Speak. Good girl. Here you go. Baxter, come here. Stand. Good boy. Here. I'm gonna get it from you. I'm gonna get it. You want it? Go get it. Where's it at? Where'd it go? Hachi, it's right here, Hachi. Hachi, you want it? Ah! Hachi, give it to me. It's mine. It's mine. Tricked you. Hey, hey, hey. Kaya, you think you're sneaky? Ow! Baxter, good boy. Kaya, that's Hachi's. Hachi, go get it, Hachi. Hachi, one more time, then you can eat it, okay? Go. I tricked them, guys. Hachi, go get it, Hachi. Hachi, 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 Hachi. Go get it, Hachi. Go get it. Whoever catches this wins it, okay? Oh! Oh, well, you didn't catch it, but you got it. Hachi. Okay guys, well there you have it. That's how Hachi reacted to the balloons tied up to his paws, his legs, his tails, his head. Just kidding, it was just his legs and his neck. But he got the green one off and it's all the way up there. Hachi, come here. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Comment down below if you like this. Let me know which is your favorite color balloon. Let me know what was your favorite part of this video. And who do you think deserves 10 treats? Okay? 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 And adios.